guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is all about Marco De Vincenzo shoes. So basically I've been wanting these heels for ages and I found them during the Christmas sale and I want to literally do an unboxing, talk you through the sizing. But before we get into that video, if you're brand new to my channel, I do videos on Tuesdays, Wednesdays and Sundays and I'd love to have you here. So like, what are you waiting for? Do you want to see these shoes or no? Oh, you do? And you subscribed? Okay, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so I've seen these shoes around and I didn't really know what the designer was called. I didn't really know like how long he's been around for. I didn't really know who the hell he was. But I just seen a lot of bloggers and a lot of celebrities wearing these braided sandals. So I came across these in the sale and I was like, oh my god guys, I definitely have to get them. So let's just unbox them as I'm wearing them tonight and show you my new babies. So these are them. These are the braided sandals 105 in black velvet. So the height is about 105 millimeters. Your girl's gonna be flying, guys. Listen, you know me, I don't like a kitten heel. I do not like a kitten heel. The only kitten heel I like is the new Balenciaga boots I got. They're 80 millimeters. And even them, I'm like, come on, add some height. Although I was walking around in them the other day and they were so comfortable because of the height. But yeah, these are them. I took these in a 37. You need to go up a size in these heels simply because of the rope detail, because it's quite tight. The back of your foot ends up hanging off. Like during the sale period I did try on a size 3 and my back foot was like literally hanging off for its life, and that was not cute, guys. But yeah, I think these are super cute and I got them in this classic black style. I did want something really funky. I did see them also in like a fuchsia pink and navy, but they only had a size 3 and then the next size was a size 5, which was too big. And then I came across these and I'm just so happy. I think they're so elegant, so stylish, and because they're a black colour you can literally wear them with anything. But I think it's really nice. I think it's really nice to branch out and try different designers. You know, it's not everyday red bottoms. I'm so over that craze. Kind of. I only have 2 red bottoms now because I got rid of my other 2 because I was just like, oh my god, they're so uncomfortable. But these are really comfortable and I've already worn them. I haven't worn them out, obviously, but I have worn them when I was trying them on and I was like, oh my god, they're really comfortable. I was really like surprised of how comfortable they were. But yeah, there's so many ways I can style this. I can style this with like a leather pant and jeans. I can style this with the dress. Like I'm going out today, I'm gonna wear like a really nice dress from Pretty Little Thing and I'm gonna style it with these. Enough rambling on, guys. Let's see how I style these shoes. Okay, so today I went to a Bondi Sands event with my blog and it's all about fake tan. I wore this lovely shoes with this Pretty Little Thing sheer dress. I literally couldn't walk in the dress, but it looked so beautifully put together that it was like, okay, this is an outfit, guys. I wore these heels literally throughout the night, and you know what, guys? They didn't even hurt my feet. They're so comfortable. And because they were so comfortable, I decided to wear them out on my next night out. I just paired them with this brown Pretty Little Thing, these rag and bone jeans, and I went out to have some sushi at Mahiki. And it just goes to show that you can wear them with the dress or you can wear them with the top and leather pants, guys. You can style them in a multiple type of way. But yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this unboxing with me. If you like this video, why not give it a thumbs up? If you think anyone could benefit from this video, why not share it? I'll be happy to share it. As always, I'll leave the links of my social media handles down below. I'll also leave the links of where you can buy these shoes in different colours. But I guess I'll see you in another video. And remember to always stay, what? Bougie.